Triple D in the mix. Yo, 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 rapping about Edodo Bird.
Making that's what she said jokes. That's so old.
Your name's so hip, I never heard it before.
Faux show.
Yo, my name is Momo. Remember me? I kicked it in period fofo. I sat in the back like a creeper, touching someone's hair. I don't ever wear sneakers. Yeah, I'm so fly like
Edodo Bird.
Edodo bird, flying through the wind. Edodo bird, flying through the wind.
Edodo, I see you up in the sky. Other brothers can't deny that you so fly and you the bomb. So girls, get ready 'cause here he comes.
Edodo Bird. Edodo Bird. Dodo birds, yeah, they're all extinct. But when you look at this kid, yeah, I would never think that a kid's so fly, can fly so high, so damn high, he can reach the sky. His hair is popping, his crew is flocking. He can always mind brace. Come on, guys, and no hate.
Edodo bird, flying through the wind. Edodo bird, flying through the wind.
I'm Edo. Hey, Mr. President, don't forget to take roll. Yeah, I reminded you. And don't forget, guys, that I'm a Jew. I will pick up your money, take it from the flow. Like, here you go, you drop your dough.
Edodo bird, you are the homie, the one and only. You are the one I wanna take home to my mommy, and I love you so.